Hello, and welcome to Seekho.Digital. In this video we will learn how to create a Facebook or Meta pixel and then add it manually to our website. By adding Meta pixel to your website, you can collect various user activities and share them with Meta. This also includes sharing conversion data, which allows Meta to build a profile of the people who are more likely to convert, thus helping you to target similar profiles on various Meta platforms. A disclaimer that all data used is public data and not private. The first thing we will do is open our Meta Business Suite. Once it's open, click on All Tools and then click on Events Manager under the Advertise group. At this point, if you have multiple accounts, make sure you are in the right account. After confirming we are on the correct account, click on Connect Data Sources. Select Web and then click the Connect button. Now, we are going to name our pixel and type a brief description. After naming the pixel, click Create Pixel. The Partner Integration box now opens, where we enter our website URL. Select Meta Pixel and Conversions API from the dialog box and click Next. Now, select the Setup Manually option and click Next, which brings up the manual implementation overview. Click the Continue button at the bottom of the screen. Now we have a choice of which events we want to track. For example, if we are in the home services industry, then we are going to track likely conversions by tracking lead form submissions and phone calls. So, from the drop-down menu, select whichever industry category suits you. For the purposes of this video, we are going to select Other Business. Then, since we want to track leads, we are going to select Leads. After you've selected the event you want to track, just click Continue. Now, in the parameter window we can select the parameters, that is, the information and data we want to send to Facebook. Select the parameters that you wish to send and click Continue. Review your setup and click Continue once again. Now, we are going to manually implement the API ourselves, so click Finish. Go to the Data Sources table and select the Meta pixel we created. Click on Setup Meta Pixel and choose Install Code Manually. We now have to copy the base code and paste it above the closing header tag of the website. If you have a developer, it is recommended you have them add the base code to your website. After adding the code on your website, click Continue. On the screen you can now see the toggle for Automatic Advanced Matching. It takes the data provided by users in the form fields and uses it to build their profiles. You may keep it switched on or off depending on your requirements. Now, we move on to the Event Setup tool, which enables us to easily set up event tracking. Click Open Event Setup and in the dialog box, enter your website URL. Click Open Website to connect the Events Manager to the website. With our website now connected, a drop-down dialog box will appear on the top left. Click Track New button, which enables us to choose the buttons which will create events when pressed. So, we will select the Request Call button in this Leads form. After we have selected our button, we will see a drop-down menu to set up the events. Click the drop-down menu and select your event. In our case, we are going to select Leads. Now, we will be asked to choose a value. If required, you can select a value to associate with the event. Once finished with the setup, click Confirm and then click Finish Setup and finally click Finish. We have now successfully created our event. Congratulations! You are now ready to use Meta Pixel to enhance and further grow your online business.